So this is Yata's 20th anniversary and I was able to join. So kaning tanan ninyo makita diri karon muni ang mga old Yata members through the years. Dili tanan na dinhi kay ang uban na sa lagyo or ang uban na siguro schedules. So before the start of the anniversary, mao ni siya ang akong ganap. I went to the backstage or sa may bodega because I was measuring the scaffolding which is needed for the set design sa Bonakid. And right now I'm wearing a blouse given to me by Viv. Shout out to Viv. So after ana tambay sa kudri sa tindahan ni Anzi. So as you can see, nagsugod na gyud ang program. So I'll just let you watch the things unfold. Charis.
That I am. I growth of the members of the youth.
Like some of us, we found Dumaguete, Negros Oriental.
Thank you, Yata. To represent the Philippines from twice sa Singapore, Malaysia, Cambodia, Vietnam. Pero wala ko ka-brag. Wala. Ganado ko nga makadungog mo karon kung kinsa si Pipoy 17 years ago. So I was 12 years old that time. I don't know what's art and what is theater. My life is like a movie, but the plot is thicker. So, listen, to survive in a place where they call it drug den. So, vices, crimes, every day you live in fear. And then, 12 years old, naganahan may mong rap star. Yo, yo, yo. Naisilingan ni Dani. Wala ko kabalog arts, wala ko kabalog yata, wala ko kabalog theater. But, ang neighbor na mo niyon, dili ka mapatas kung nako ka mo abay. Ayaw pagbaktas kay nako ka mo sakay. Oras di makalas sa kalitram nilabay, pero daghang namatay tantong sinulay. Gisulod sa bulsa, wako kabalo kung unsa. Ingon sila, usara ka gramo. Ang mando ato. Akong amo nga ipahatag atong tawo nga nakaputi og sando. Pusta o pag-ayo mo rarag regalo, instant nga padato. Di na kamahago. Dapat kang itago o isulod sa bulsa. The life is like a movie, but the plot is thicker. I became a substance courier, drug mule. At that early age, 12 years old, imagine. But life goes on, we need to survive. We need to survive. So, kada adlaw kung gabuhat mo nang di na makurat, anagmi aning dulaa mo ng bawal manguwat. Dili ni puro sinapat din sibat, kay diktanan amigo mo ng ayaw palipat parihas. Sa akong amigo nga ginganlan siya ang Diego. Tumasulod sa kampo nilang amo. Sekreto sa tanan pero ilado sa gobyerno. Usa ka adlaw na kalitra siyang nawala. Gihulbot siya kalit-kilit dito kilit sa mong karsada. Daga na nga tingala. Wala po siya sa balita. Di ay to di nagramo kundi tawo kinsa namo ang ikanta o ibaylo kinsang bulsa ang mudako tagataas ay mudato bantay-bantay lini-lini sa palibot pasun ikaw na'y sunod nga isulod sa bulsa. Photo point. I thought nga na akong kinabuhi, peddling drugs, doing all vices, following the routine of the drug den. But, my brother Junsley, thank you, bro. Sila ang pioneers sa yata. And then, I was one of the childhood that was saved that moment. My brother offered me, let's join. I know you can do this, do that, but I don't know. Sana. No, kabalo. Then I just tried. Hindi ka so good. The art, ang experience, ang workshops, ang training nga gihatag sa yata. Look at me now. It's like a burst of sunshine catching through clouds. But the mission is not finished. Tagal pa kahit ang bata ni Save. Although wala ako na yung rap star. Pero, diri sa yata, na ako yung mga kapakrew. That's my story. Thank you. Objection!
ang litrato sa imong tubangan karon. Nga kanini ay si Greta, usa ka irresponsable o igat nga pagkababayi. Ha! Oh. Sino minase?
I also became one of the presidents at some point. I was always in the arts since birth. I had no choice. Anong sabutan, maali sa pagdisiplina, akong pilihan. Akong hisitan. Kung akong pasunin akong kunalan din ngayon, pakinawin sa kita patakaw niya ko. Gusto ba ka na? Gusto bang masakitan? Ikahan tatakin lang ang ilang maiuntungan. Oh no, sakit lang ang maiuntungan. Misis, basok kang hadlong ang buto mo sa ilang unang-una. Kung dili respeto, dami ng tutuanan sa una, pero kung kaya ang ulo, dapat wala lang. Sige ka to, sikiran! Pero kumaanan na sila sa imong bunal kung singkit, mawalan na ng ini. Sulod sa pitas, lakas sa pitas. Ako mawalan, hindi ka to singkit, hindi ko mamubunan. Sino ko? Ano? Isupan, atong sagutan, mamaagi sa pagdisiplina, atong pilihan. Atong isutan. Sa akong naandang nasilutan, akay nakasama ng pakaunawan. Pero madam, baka makuyakan, kahit sila magmatnot, pagtubot ng magkatunan. Oh no, pagtubot ng magkatunan. Liyagi ka dyan kag-elementary, diba? Isa yung pinaka-training yung ganahan ng teacher. Ay, si Mrs. Makalipong na pag-demonyo na maestra. Sige na mo kung bakit dyan. Para kung may nagisilutan, kanino mo mapakasa yung mga sala. Wala na akong katundo, pero ang mga tundo ko sa'yo, nawakang lahat ko kayo. See? Oh no, sorry kids. Atong isutan, atong sabutan, makapaagi sa pagdisiplina, atong pilihan. Atong isutan. Turuan ng ginhawa, kung may panahong mag-explika. Hatagan katinawan, ang tanang panghitabo. Agalihan ng una-una, malabanon ang pagpasabot. Aron makita ang unsay tinuod nga problema.
discovered Yata. It was 2015 when I first saw Yata at the Little Children of the Philippines. 13 years old. Grabe. Yan yung feeling ready ko. Hindi ma-emotional.
Yes.
Emotional ko rin. But yes, it was Yata did not deprive me of having that kind of hope and that kind of love. So from being that kid na muhilang na sa kilid if kanagaling ibuli ko now to the person who have learned to speak up for himself and to also share the love and the care that ako nadawat to my kapatids now. It was never an easy journey from the 13-year-old boy now becoming the president of Yata. It was never an easy journey, but again, going back to the sense of belonging, the sense of family, I found these people and I will forever cherish them in my life.
Ako akong black. Ulit na to. Click. Bye.
Uy, miss! What's your name? Saan pangalan?
Miss. Number na lang, miss.
Ayaw mo na ba? Lalo kung nabay. Katagawa ko. Miss, ayaw ko miss. Para sa inyo nga. Sinsahan.
Wala ka ni Wila ay may makuha. Ayaw mo pang hinabot? Sus, mga tambay.
Handa! Lokon sa manin!
Kung sa leda ko dahil ka.
Ilong ba? Miss, kuming pupunang na mo kay ibantay ka ng tol or ambay, di mo napasabot na di mo makabuhat ang ayaw. Sa akong pag-isabay, sa syudad, sa Dumaguete, magbantay umutura ng panginabuhi, hilig sa dalan kami ang mga hari. Sa akong pag-isabay,
Oh, it's been 20 years. But one of my core memories really are the workshops. One workshop on musical theater with
Kita ang lumad ay lugar. Kita ang unang lumulupyo din eh. Aban, nahalaw sa hinay-hinay ang anino sa akong kultura. Makahadlok. Nahadlok ako. Nahadlok sa hinay-hinay. Palaso kita, palayunin akong islang nagtawan. Nahalok ako. kahadlok nga moabot ang panahon nga mahalaw na lang ang tanan. Mituluhiyan ang tawag ng katubuhan nga sugilan. Apan yun sila ang kahadlok ang naa sa una-una. Nahadlok ako ang kasing-kasing na may natapos mo pagka. Ang kasing-kasing na may dalang paglaong. Paglaong nga masunog matala alang ikaliwanag. Dahil na masigla ang bulang.
Yeah. First of all, it's very difficult to join any yata place because all are musical. I cannot sing. If makita ninyo ang yata performances, they will use the 100% singing. Ako ang 1%. They're 99%. Pero ang alcohol, 99%, di ba? I'm the missing piece. Listen, they're all singers, dancers, I cannot sing. Okay lang ang dance. I can act like Sam Melvin. Yeah. I was one of the original 30 who joined that fateful Bitaw in 2005. Without the developed frontal lobe. Wow. Frontal lobe. Karang part sa brain mo, frontal lobe, kasi you're front. That brain, that part of your brain decides ang function na is how you can decide which is right and which is wrong. What is right, what is wrong. And I joined yata. I thought I was wrong. Then I was right. I become a writer. It's the beginning of time. Na tumayo para ma-recognize sila Lord Kent Marino, Royal pastors, kaya si David, si Richie, yan, mga pastors. Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo. Now, magbibigay tayo ng mensahe. Tama ba?
One line lang.
One line lang. Ray, one line.
Okay. According to age, di ba?
My color.
Sige. Yata. Yata serves as an energy for my creativity in school and the community.
Very different. As a writer, lahat tayo ay may karapatang isulat ang ating kinabukasan. So write it right.
Tweeting tayo.
I am now the Assistant Secretary of the Committee on Dramatic Arts of NCCA. I am part-time teaching at Silliman Speech and Theater Department. And I already have a professional diploma in theater acting from IDI Singapore. One thing I really discovered in Yata is that you can make a career out of your passion in theater.
5 lines na dito mo. Ay, kama.
Kolon.
Woo! Because of Yata, nako karon sa international scene, serving the... Oo. Ako din mas Yata. No, if not for Yata, then I'm not with AYTF, no? But one-liner, Yata is an affirmation that the youth can lead and can do it.
No, for me, going back to what I said earlier, theater and the arts doesn't just have to be skill building. It's more important if we use it for
for advocacy, and we have to bring it to the community, the people that need it most.
Yeah, for me, so based on yung share nila po, yata, ang nag-transform na ako from part of the problem and then now I'm part of the solution. So, tara na ito mga kabatanunan, if, join yata.
As an international worker. Yes. Yata, I found Yata in the most unexpected way. Yata unexpectedly and beautifully became my home. And Yata will always be a home to all ages, and to all genders, and to everyone who wish to have a home that we have right now.
When we were thinking of metaphor for the 20th, with the theme changing lives one stage at a time, we came up with lotus. Something that grows in a beautiful way, even like in the muddy 30 waters. And this is something that artists do, even if wrongness is normalized, even if injustice is rationalized and is excused, we intuit what is better, what is good. And I think that is something that runs across the generations. Again, we are imperfect, pero we need to aspire to something that we deserve, which is a better world. And I think that is our hope, that we become a lotus that grows not in the muddy waters, but in a community of lotuses in waters that are clearer, so that more can grow. So, daghang salamat. Ang kulang dito si John Lumapay.
Insert John Lumapay. There you go.
Insert John Lumapay.
Pero also at this point, I just wanted to ask all those who are currently but also previously served as our board of trustees to give us because unlike other organizations na they give something to their board members, we cannot. We don't. And so this is really hard work, no? But you have provided, again, yes, so thank you. Ano lang, para sa photo mo. Yes. Insert Lay, and also insert Hapburn, and also wala si Jarvik, no? Pero Jarvik was the designer of art.
is a paradiso, a place of hope, creativity.
In more than 20 years of
Calendar, please, calendar. February 6, 7, and 8. Andres Bonifacio is coming. Andres Bonifacio is coming to save the Big Ten City. Help me. Master. Nana si Monique! Welcome to Big Ten City. To us in so complaining. Become one of our Suki, our Suki, Paris fancy. Welcome to Big Ten City. We got you and your family. Kung wala kay Mari, don't you worry, listen closely. Sayon ka mo tanan diri sa among balay. Hindi ka hangran kay nakakayod kay Suki ka. Ayaw ka hindi bang tayo if you repeat. We want to find something of you. It's the heart of our city. Welcome to Big Ten City. To us in Suki. Become one of our Suki, our Suki, Paris fancy. Welcome to Big Ten City. We got you and your family. Kung wala kay Mari, don't you worry, listen closely. Feeling, bursting, Suki car! Feeling home, Suki car! Feeling sweet, Suki welcome to Big Ten City. Remember not to worry. Sa outside world ng delikado ay peligro, pantay na. Welcome to Big Ten City. You never have to worry. As if you can't afford, you can work for it. Nothing's free but you are really. But if you won't be nakakamali.
Hi, Raj. We miss you. Si Ruby, wak ni kaon si Ruby. Dili na diet. Mama switch niyo. Hi, Bea. Hello. Hi, Anna. Masa na Ritanta, Anna?
Ritanta, aka Richly. Sa Manila na siya na
Oh,
nagsulat sa
nagsulat.
nagsulat-sulat to names yung tantong paspas pag ano sa to Ritanta si Richly Ritanta sa bako Ritanta kami ko talaga kisa na si Ritanta Richly wrong spelling wrong ya siya pag inisulat na to
Hi, Kenneth.
Hello.
yeah
Because I feel so bad every...
Hi, Ahmed. Sino itabo dere?
Wala, picture po Tati Zing. Ay! Hi vlog, is this for your YouTube? Hi vlog, I miss you Ate Zing. Hi Ate Zing.
Sige, sige.
Hi Ate
Sige.
Zing. Kamis lagi ko dira.
Oh.
Pwede na yung dasyon na.
Ha?
Pag mga anak imong kanate